This is a 2010 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, the Secure Lock anti-theft system, side curtain airbags, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. This Ford has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Arlington Toyota is located at 10939 Atlantic Boulevard in Jacksonville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.